Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve remove k digits problem. So in this problem we are given a string num which represent a non-negative integer and we are also given a k. And what we have to do, we have to return the smallest possible integer after removing k from this num. So this is our number 143229 and we have to remove k digits, k 3 digits. So if I remove this 3 1 2 3, then what will be our answer? 1432. If I remove 143, then what will be our answer? 2219. So which digit I am removing? If I remove this 3, then my answer will be 1219. So which digit should I remove to get my smallest possible number? Tell me. So let's see how we are gonna solve this problem. So our intuition will be to remove most significant digits from most significant digit. So what we will do, we will remove the most significant digits such that our answer will be smallest. So how we will do? Let's understand. So I am taking one. Let's say not taking a stack. Right now I am taking one answer. This will be work as my stack only. Okay. So for now I will remove this. So what I will do? I will see it. Is it my? Is it greater than my this or not? If it is greater, if it is lesser, then I will remove this. But right now it is empty, so I will include this. Okay, there will be one more case. If there will be zero, if there will be zero. Okay. Let's see it in different case. But for now, I am taking one. So what we will do, I will add there. Now, as I soon reach to 4, and I have to take my k equals to 3 also. So as soon as I reach to 4k, now you can say its back is not greater, its back is not greater, so I will put 4 here. But when I comes to 3, its back, that means answer last element, answer top element is greater. In that case what I will do, I will remove it because it is greater. So I will remove it and mark my k equals to 2. That means I have removed one element. Now I have to remove two more elements. But is it one is greater than 3? No. So I will do nothing. I will place my 3 here. Now when I comes to 2, I will see if the top of my string is greater. Yes. So I will remove this also. Make my k 1 and 3 1 is no 1 is smaller. So I will put my 2 here. Now I comes to this 2. So for this 2 I will place it. Now when I comes to this one, I will say this 2 is greater. That if this 2 is greater and k is 1, then I will remove this and my k is 0. Now I can't remove any other number, so I will place both of them. So what will be my answer? 1219. So now let's understand it with another example. So let's say if I have 120. So this is my answer. So what I will do? First of all, I will add my first digit. Now for second, is it greater? Yes, 1 is greater. If 1 is greater, then I will delete it and k is my 1. My k is 1. So it will become 0. It will become 0. So my next digit is 0. Now, the thing is, if my answer is 0 and my character is 0, if my answer length is 0 and this is also 0, then I will not include it. I will not include it. Why? Why? Because 0 to 100 and 200 are same thing, and in the question we have given we do not have to return with leading 0, so I will not include that, and I have removed all them, so I have to include later one. So I will return this. So now let's check the code. So what I am doing is I am taking answer and I am treating answer as my stack for this loop. Okay. So what I will traversing in my nums array, and then I will find if my answer length, if my answer is non-empty. If my answer is non-empty, in that case I will check its back. So let's say if my answer is 143, so I will check this element, this top, stack top, and answer back is same thing. Okay. And if it is greater than c, if it is greater than character, so right now if you can see this 3 is greater than 4. If this 3 is greater than 4 and I have k, that means I can remove any number, so I will remove this 4. Okay. In that case I will remove and my k minus 1, and then I will do until I found a number which is smaller than this number. So the one is smaller, then I will not delete it further. Now if my answer length is 0, or if my I have answer and my number is non-zero, let's say for the first, what I will do, this will be failed because answer length is 0, so I will come to this. Now if I have a number this 200, in that case my zero, my character is 0, in that case I will not put. But if it is non-zero, if it is 1, then I have to add here, I have to add it. So finally, after doing all this operation, let's say I do, my number is 129, and I have I have never seen a number. Okay, let's do this. 9 to 1. No, 9 to 1, it will be 1 to 9. So in this operation you can see when you iterating, so there is no number which is greater. 1 is not greater than 2. Okay, 9 is this. So in this case what we will do, we will delete from back. We will delete from back. Okay, so this is what, if our k is, we have k and we haven't delete anything, then in this case we will delete from back. So this is the whole solution. And what will the time complexity? So the time complexity of this solution will be, as you can clearly see, we are using a single loop here. Okay, so it will be of n, time complexity will be of n, and our space complexity for using this answer, but this answer we are returning this answer, we are not using so our space complexity you can say of 1, because we are not using any extra space. So yeah, this is the solution. If you like the solution, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.